Hello students, today again I will explain another video of class 10 science chapter number 5. Okay, in this video I will mainly explain about the Mendeleev's periodic table and Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, before I start explaining this video, please take out your notebook, pen, pencils, okay, to copy down the important topics, notes. Okay, without wasting the time, I will start today's topic, that is the Mendeleev's periodic tables. Okay, before I start explaining the Mendeleev's periodic tables, first I will explain about the Mendeleev's periodic law. See, Mendeleev's periodic law, the third one. Okay, after new length law of octet, this is the third one. Okay, Mendeleev's periodic law first. Okay, periodic tables. In this periodic tables, okay, first I will explain about the Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law. Because of this law, that is Mendeleev's periodic law, he used to classify the elements according to this law. Okay, based on this law. What this Mendeleev's periodic law states that statement. This is one of the most important part, okay, of this chapter, right? It states that the properties of elements, okay, the properties of the elements the properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic mass, This statement means that the element which are used to classify, okay, by the Mendeleev's is mainly based on the increasing order of the atomic mass. Okay, increasing order of the atomic mass, right? And in the last video, I also giving some of the formulas of the compound which was discovered by the Mendeleev's, right? And this, because of this similar formula, he told that the elements which have the similar formula, they are put in the same group, right? That is why lithium, sodium, potassium, they have the similar formula. Because of that, they are put into similar group, right? Next, another case, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, right? They have a similar formula. Because of that, they are also put in the same group, right? Now, next, the main important part of the next is what? The two main features of Mendeleev's periodic tables. The two main features of Mendeleev's periodic table. What are two main features of Mendeleev's periodic table? This is the one of the most important question. Okay, Mendeleev's periodic tables, okay, are, number one is increasing order. Okay, the number one is increasing order of their atomic mass. Increasing orders of their atomic mass. Okay. The number two is the another number two is the grouping together element having similar properties. Grouping together of the elements having similar properties. Because of these two features, because of these two important points, the Mendeleev used to classify the elements in his periodic table. Right? Now, don't forget the statement says that what? The properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. That is, the elements are put in this periodic table according to the increasing order of their atomic mass. First one point. Okay? And then the second one point I already explained in the last video, that is Mendeleev has discovered some of the important formula, right? That is oxide and the hydride, right? Because of this important formula, he said that those elements which have the similar formula, they are put in the same group, right? That is why in here the two main important features and this what mentioning in here, that is first is increasing orders of their atomic mass, the first one point. The second one point is grouping together of the elements having similar property. This is the second point. Okay, please copy down this one. Finish? Okay. But don't forget, okay, you nicely copy, okay? And I request you, please watch this video till end, okay? Don't jump and don't forward the video, right? Okay? Now. The next is the merit point, okay? Merit of Mendeleev's periodic classification. Merit of Mendeleev's periodic classification or periodic table. Anyone okay? Alright, correct. The first one point. The first one point is what? Mendeleev's periodic law predicts. Mendeleev's periodic law predicts Mendeleev's periodic law predicts, okay, the existence of some element. Predicted the existence of some elements. The existence of some elements that had not been discovered, that had not been discovered, that had not been discovered at that time. At that time. Okay, in this part, okay, he used to predict some of the elements like Ika. You can see in your periodic tables, okay, Ika boron, okay, Ika silica, okay, Ika silica. These are some of the elements, okay. That is, he predicted that this element will be discovered after some years, okay. He believed that, he thought, he know that, okay. Because of that, at that time, these Ika boron and Ika silica, they are not discovered, okay. But he predicted that like this element will become after some times, okay. And then the properties of this element will be similar to this boron, and the properties of the element this will be similar to the silicon. Okay, like this he predicted. Okay, and he also used to put the gap. Okay, that is why he predicts. He has put in some of the gap for those elements who had not been discovered at that time. He know that this element will be coming. The atomic number will be like this, and the atomic mass will be slightly similar to this one. Okay, and because of that, this is the one of the achievements. That is the main point of the Mendeleev's periodic classification. The number 2 point. Mendeleev's periodic classification. The Mendeleev periodic classification could predict the properties. Could predict the properties of the servant elements, on the basis of their position in the periodic table. Their position in the periodic table. This one, in the last time I already explained this. Look here, lithium, sodium, potassium, right? The position of lithium, sodium, potassium he already predicted because of their properties of the elements, right? Because of their properties, he can predict that the position of the lithium will be this in here, and the position of the sodium will be here, and the position of the potassium will be here. And same thing in here, beryllium, then magnesium and calcium also he already predicted. In another case, what are they? That the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, this also he already predicted, right? Because of that, what he already know that this element, the position of this element should be this place. Okay, after study about their chemical properties, right? Next, the last point, the last minute point is number 3. The last point is Mendeleev periodic table could accommodate Mendeleev periodic table can accommodate noble gas. But noble gas was not discovered at that time. Okay, the noble gas, when they were discovered, in his time there was no noble gas, but he already put a one gap. And in this gap, all the noble gas will be placed. For example, noble gas like helium, neon, argon, xenon, and krypton. All this noble gas, for all this noble gas, he already put one gap, for the noble gas. But this noble gas was not discovered at that time, right? These are the most important 3 achievements of the Mendeleev's periodic table. The first one is Mendeleev's periodic law predict that the existence of some elements that had not been discovered at the time. That means he already put one gap for the some of the elements who will be discovered on future. Okay, like Ika, boron, Ika, silica, like, okay. Next, Mendeleev periodic tables has put in the elements, some of the elements, several elements, okay, in their proper place according to their chemical properties, right? The number third one is the Mendeleev periodic table also put one gap, okay? This gap, don't touch this gap. This gap is for the noble gas, but noble gas is not discovered at that time, but he already know that on the future some of the scientists will discover the noble gas, okay, and after that only he will put this noble gas, okay, at that place, right? These are some of the important main points of the Mendeleev's periodic tables, okay, periodic classification. Please copy down. Done. Okay. Next is the demerits. Demerits of Mendeleev periodic tables. Okay. Demerits of the Mendeleev periodic tables. Demerit. Another name of demerit is known as anomalies. Okay, anomalies of Mendeleev's periodic table or periodic classifications of elements. Okay, now the first one, what are the demerits of the Mendeleev periodic table? The position of the isotope could not be assigned. Okay, the position of isotope could not be explained or assigned. Why? Because his periodic table is based on what? Atomic mass. His periodic table is based on the atomic mass, right? This say hydrogen. Hydrogen. The hydrogen has a three isotope. One, okay. There is one is the protium, deuterium, and tritium. Right. The weight of the atomic mass of the protium is 1 unit. Right. Atomic mass of the deuterium is 2 unit, and this will be the 3 unit. Okay. But his periodic table is based on the atomic mass. Okay. Then he should okay keep the position of the isotope, right? But in his periodic table, okay, he did not put any gap for the isotope, or he did not explain about the isotope. Okay, this is the one of the demerits or the anomalies of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, that is the isotope. Isotope, you all know the meaning of isotope. Okay, I little explain about isotope. Isotope means same atomic number. Okay, but different atomic mass. Okay, don't forget. If anyone is confused about isotope, okay, you already learned in the class 9, right? Isotope means same atomic number, different what? Atomic mass, right? Next, number 2, what another demerit is wrong order of atomic mass of some elements. Wrong order of atomic mass of some elements could not be explained. Could not be explained. Okay. For this, you just take out your textbook and see, okay, in the Mendeleev's periodic tables, okay, in here, in this portion, okay, the side, okay, there is the four 4 periods, okay, and the groups 4 periods and the group 7. You can see this what iron, okay, iron, cobalt and nickel. Iron, cobalt and nickel. Okay, he has put like this iron, cobalt and nickel in the one group. Okay, and in here he has also by mistake he has put in this one. The atomic mass of this iron is 58.8. Then this one atomic mass of the cobalt is 58.9 and nickel is 58.7. Okay, this is the wrong order of this what atomic mass, right? But in his periodic table, he already said that the putting of the elements, okay, the placing of the element is based on the increasing order of the atomic mass, right? But in here we can't see that this is the wrong order, the mistake. Okay, this is the mistake for the placing of the elements, right? But according to him, it should be first nickel, next iron, next cobalt, right? But in his periodic table, he has put in like this iron, cobalt, and nickel, right? This is the one of the mistake. Okay, just to take out your textbook and see that group number 8, page number 4. Okay, you can see. Okay, now next. The last one of the demerit is this is one of the most important, okay? A correct position could not be assigned for hydrogens, okay? A correct position could not be assigned to hydrogen, okay, to hydrogen in the periodic table. In the periodic table. In his periodic table, okay, he did not explain or he did not put the correct position of the hydrogen. These are the three important demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, please copy down this one. Okay, dear students, once again I told you that please watch the video till end. Okay, don't jump, don't forward. Okay, if you jump or if you forward the video, if you miss some points, then you could not understand. Okay, and please copy down to whatever I am just what explaining in here. Okay, and the same thing I will give to them in the form of the PDF. Okay, and that's all for today. If you have any doubt, any confusion, let me know. Please send one message to the WhatsApp group. I will clear your doubt. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.